wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Whoa. Do you guys see that? That's Moana. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. I should say hi to you guys. Hi, kids. From A to Z, from east to west. I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again. Do you guys see her just sitting there? I went off and I had lunch, and then when I came back, Moana had put up all these shells, and she was sitting in the middle. I wonder, do you guys think she's trying to tell me something? I kind of do. Well, I wonder what it is. Excuse me, Miss Moana. Excuse me, Miss Moana. Yeah, yes, Olivia. Hi, I was wondering, what are you doing out here? You have all these shells set up and you're just sitting there. Well, Olivia, sometimes I like to sit and look out at the ocean. Oh, wow. The ocean's really, really big. Yes, the ocean is very big, and there are lots of adventures out there far across the ocean. And, yes, Moana? And I am currently pondering a brand new adventure. Last night, there was a voice that whispered to me in the dark, and it said, Moana, go to the sea. And so I came to the sea, and I've been sitting here all morning looking out to the sand. And, Olivia, I was wondering if you could help me. Kids! Moana needs our help. Do you hear that? Do you guys think maybe you could help me help Moana? Yeah? Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, Moana, yes. We would really like to help you. What do you need help with? Well, as I was sitting here looking out at the sea, there were images in the clouds. And the images in the clouds led me to this spot. But I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Up in the clouds, I see maybe a bird, and I think a flower, and and I can hear singing on the wind. But I don't recognize the singing. Wait, but Moana, that singing, it sounds kind of like it could be from another princess, doesn't it, kids? Oh, I wonder, because it sounds kind of like Ariel. Okay, so the clouds and the images and the voice led you here to these seashells. So, okay, so these seashells are really important then. Okay, let's examine the seashells and see if we can figure it out. So,
Hi, Olivia.
Hi, Noah.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to help Moana. Thank you.
Help her with what?
We don't know exactly. So last night Moana heard a voice, and then it told her to come to the ocean, and this morning she saw images in the clouds, and it led her to these seashells, but I don't know what the seashells are supposed to mean, and Moana wants our help to figure it out. Do you have any ideas? Me and the kids are trying to, I don't know, I'm looking at them now to investigate the seashells. So if you have any ideas.
Well, let's see.
Yeah.
Nothing.
It looks just like, and sometimes you can hear seashells too, right? But I don't know. It only sounds like the ocean. Do you think that means
Nothing.
anything? Nothing? Yeah.
Nothing. No. Oh, there's one more right there.
Yeah. The very end one. I don't know. They all look the same. Does it look the same to you guys, kids? It's just the inside.
Nothing.
Yeah.
They're really nice shells.
Yeah,
I don't
they're
know.
really nice.
Let me talk to Moana.
Yeah.
Oh,
I think they're figuring something out.
Oh, I know.
Oh, you know?
Yeah.
What? Oh, okay. Tell me.
The answer lies in that special box there.
Oh.
Should I get it?
Yeah. Oh, that made the seashells. Maybe they were leading us to the special box.
Here, why don't you hold Moana?
Okay.
And let me see if I can open this box.
Yeah.
Because whatever
Yeah.
Moana is saying that we need to find out is in this box.
Oh yeah. Let's get that open. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah. Like. Wow. That seems really shut, huh?
Yeah.
Oh wait, does it have a lock?
It does have a lock right there.
Oh, do we need a key maybe? We need a key.
We need a key.
We need a key, so
Oh, wait.
yeah?
And didn't you say there was a voice?
Yeah, there was a voice. There was a voice in the clouds, and then there was a voice, she said, and it made it sound like, oh, like that.
Oh.
Yeah.
We need to follow that voice.
Oh.
We need to follow that voice, and that voice will have the key to this box.
Okay. Moana, where was the voice coming from? From the ocean.
She said from the ocean.
Yeah, from the ocean. Oh, wow. We're gonna have to go into the ocean, huh? Oh my goodness, Moana, do you want to come with us to the ocean? Are you gonna?
She has to come. She only knows the way.
Yeah, Moana, we don't know how to go into the ocean, and we need to use your boat probably, or have you swim with us and show us how to go.
It sounds like adventure.
Adventure
time.
Adventure time. Oh wow.
Okay.
Oh yay! No, I'm so glad you figured that out. I didn't even know what the box was. I didn't see it there. Wow.
Whatever is here, this is the secret hidden message.
Oh, I wonder what's inside of it.
But the voice will know.
The voice will
can
know,
help us.
So we should just go towards the ocean now, right?
Yeah, we'll go on the boat of Moana, and then we just follow that voice.
Yeah, follow the voice over the sea and to wherever the voice comes from.
Yep.
Oh, I hope it's a good person that the voice is coming from, right?
What do you think we'll need? Should we get some food? Will this be a longer journey?
I think
Should we get
it'll
some
be
food and maybe a backpack?
Yeah, I think food and a backpack and maybe I don't know, like special adventure supplies, like maybe like a magnifying glass.
Special adventure supplies.
Yeah, special adventure supplies, right? Like
yeah.
So we should pack all of our special adventure supplies just in case. We can just keep them in a bag on the side, yeah?
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Yeah, so we should go find those, right? Do we need to go find all of our special adventure supplies?
Okay, so let's put together our special adventure supplies.
Yeah.
And then we can go and follow the voice. Moana, can you prepare the boat for us?
Yeah. Moana, will you make the boat? Yes, I will. I will get the boat ready and I will get my rooster.
Okay. Why don't you help Moana and I'll get our special adventure supplies?
Okay, thank you.
Does that sound good?
Yeah, and don't forget my backpack.
Okay.
And yeah, just get everything just in case.
Okay. Kids, make sure to get your special adventure kit.
Yeah, get your special adventure stuff.
Okay? So we're gonna put that all together and get ready because you're gonna come with us too. We need you, kids.
Yeah. You guys are gonna be very helpful on this journey.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
I'm so excited.
Let's get ready.
Okay, let's get ready.
We'll be right back. See you, kids.
See
Bye.
you, kids. Bye.
Bye.
Wow. Bye. Thank you, Moana, for asking for our help.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank
very
you guys
nice of
for
you.
helping me. thank you.
We'll help you.
Yay.
We'll help you get this secret open.
Yeah.
So
Wow.
you can be peaceful again.
Yeah. You
Okay.
can swim in the ocean and
Yep.
play with your friends.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Ready?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.